He's caught out of the wild, okay?
He's what?
Caught from the wild.
He is a crocodile.
Now what I just did should have been impossible.
Yeah.
That's if what you have seen on TV and been told about crocodiles is true. Now the reason he didn't react is because he reacts to certain stimuli, and splashing is one of them. When I put that stick in and said he's whitey, you know, he didn't even move. Sometimes if I stand and put it out, what?
Oh, there we go.
If I splash,
Holy gooey, how they go at him.
Oh, I think he's overfed.
Yeah, he needs to go on a diet.
Can you get the whole lot of him in the camera?
Bloody hell.
Oh, there we go.
Oh my God, it's huge.
come down the front now.
Yeah, get it.
Oh, he sits on him.
Well, where I'm sitting is a safe spot.
Behind his back feet.
That's right.
Yep,
When animals get to a certain size like us, they can't put their toe in the mouth anymore.
yep.
I can't. Used to.
Oh, listen to him.
Why are you standing there?
They can't get near it.
Boy.
You may have heard they can run quite fast over a short distance.
Oh, he just
Take a look at the leg compared to mine.
Yeah.
Something to do with length of leg with how fast you can go, eh?
That is just
God.
crazy.
He just wants to get back in the
He
water.
wants to drink on them feathers.
They're tickling me straight. Yeah.
Holy.
Huge.
That's the fattest one I've ever seen.
Is that a croc between your legs? Or
It's